Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide to clean up your Telegram workspace by removing bots from folders on the PC app. If you've been organizing your chats into folders but notice bots cluttering the mix, this new update makes it simpler than ever to streamline your setup. Let's jump right into the steps. First, open your Telegram desktop app. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand side menu where all your folders are listed. Find the specific folder containing the bots you want to remove. Right-click directly on that folder's name. A menu will pop up. Select the option labeled Edit Folder to open its customization settings. Inside the folder settings, you'll see a section dedicated to bots. This is where all the bots currently assigned to this folder appear. To remove them, locate the small X icon next to the Bots label. Clicking this will clear all bots from the folder in one go. Don't worry. This doesn't delete the bots from your account entirely. It simply removes them from this specific folder. Once you've clicked the X, double-check your changes to ensure everything looks the way you want. When you're satisfied, hit the Save button at the bottom of the settings window. That's it. Your folder is now bot-free, giving you a cleaner, more focused space for your chats. This feature is perfect for users who've added bots to folders temporarily or accidentally and want to declutter without losing access to the bots elsewhere. Remember, you can always revisit these settings to tweak your folders further. Telegram's flexibility lets you adapt as your needs change. And there you have it, a straightforward process to keep your Telegram environment organized and efficient. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need a clutter-free messaging experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.